Hi guys, so we're doing what people feel like you sound like. So what do you sound like you're doing? So with the Six of Swords, people feel like you're moving away from conflict. You've just moved on from whatever it is that had you stuck. I feel like with the Ten of Pentacles, you're moving away from money. You've already got money, you've already got it, so you're like, now I want to focus on healing and going towards your Ten of Cups or your cups, so your complete happiness. So you're kind of abandoning the money thing for happiness. Yeah, the King of Swords has come up twice, so I feel like that means like you're bilingual at communication. I feel like you're making decisions less based on emotion at the moment and more based on facts. You're definitely making your own healing happen, and you're steady working at, like, once you've like got this Ten of Cups, then you're steady, steady, and very decisively and very swift and very head-on, fast, going towards your healing. So yeah, you this is what people are thinking that you're doing, and they think that you will might hold on to your money and like penny pinch a little bit, not penny pinch, but like just be a bit, like they say, like greedy, like it is your yeah. So people feel like something is telling you to move away. With the Temperance card, it looks like you are making healing happen for you. You are very decisive about this, and not worried as much about any like emotions spilt in this situation. You are making a decision in an inquisitive kind of way, like you're saying, like you're inquiring and getting as much information as you can, so you can communicate and like effectively get what you want, and yeah, find your way. It's pretty straightforward, like how people think. People just think you've got the money you need, now you're overcoming, you're moving towards moving away from not getting your Ten of Cups, your happiness. Yeah, so I might do some oracle cards. Sorry, I had to get it. But so this one. Can I have advice for my pile one? So there you go. That is what you feel, so that is what is coming. I'm energetic being, what I feel is what I attract. So you're in a heavy like attracting mode at the moment. And I suppose that's probably what people are thinking as well. So if you would like to meet me in part 2, please do, and I will see you next time.